Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, and I'm back again with another video where I will be walking you through some simple steps using which you can fix the login issue with Snapchat. So if you are not able to log into Snapchat, I will be discussing a few reasons as well as solutions that you can try. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Alright, the first reason that you are not able to log into Snapchat is if you have recently logged in on any other device, you will be automatically logged out of the first device that you are using. So if you are facing that, it means that Snapchat has logged you out of the first device, as it doesn't allow you to use two mobile devices at the same time. Alright, so that's the first reason if you have suddenly got logged out of it. Now the next reason you are not able to access your account, or you are not able to log into it even after entering the right username and password, it can be your internet, your poor internet. So just to make sure that you are getting the required internet connectivity, you just need to open any other social media app or any other thing that requires internet, and you can just try using that app to see that if your internet is working properly or not. You can try playing any video, alright, and this will tell you that your internet is working just fine. Now if internet is not the issue, the next thing you should try is to update the app, as many times Snapchat gives you an update, and if you haven't installed it yet, you might face some glitches, or you might not be able to log into it, or you might get logged out of it. Alright, so this can be the scenario as well. Just go to Play Store if you are using Android, or go to App Store and search for Snapchat. So as you can see right here, I am getting the update button right here. So you need to install the latest version of the app, and as soon as it gets installed, as soon as you update the app, just try to log in again. So hopefully this will definitely fix the issue if you were missing any update from Snapchat, or in case if you are having a lack of storage space, very less storage space on your Android device. This could be another reason you are not able to log in, as every app needs some space to run. Alright, so make sure you have enough space on your mobile device, only then you will be able to install the update or use any of your apps. Another reason as well. Now if in case you were not getting this update button, and if your app was already updated, the next thing you can try is to just completely uninstall the app from your device and then reinstall it. So this can also fix some glitches. Sometimes your app is going through some glitches, and that gets fixed when you reinstall the app freshly, and then you can try to log in again. My next tip for you would be to go to your settings section and then to the app section, or directly search for the Snapchat app. Now here you have to go to storage section, or for your mobile device the steps could be different. So just need to reach on the screen where you will get the option to clear data as well as clear cache. First of all, you should clear your cache files. As you can see, they are occupying a lot of storage space, and they are just junk files. They are of no use, they are temporary files. So you need to clear your cache on regular basis. So I'm going to do that, and then you can again try to log in. Alright, now if still you are not able to do so, the next step should be to clear data. Now that means this will again completely log you out of your device. It will not do anything to your files, it will not delete your data or something. It will just log you out of completely from Snapchat, and then you will be able to log in again normally. Alright, so that's another thing you can try. Now Snapchat has made it possible to use your account on a browser, the web version as well. So you can do that as well. You can just open up any browser and try using or try to log into the web version of Snapchat, and if you are able to do that, it means the app is going through some glitches which might get fixed on its own. Alright, so that's how you can even check if the issue is with the app or your mobile device or with Snapchat. Alright, so that would be my next tip for you. And now the last important tip is to check if Snapchat server is down. So most of the times if you are not able to use any of the social media app, for example Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat or any other, chances are the server is down due to any outage or something, and that's why no one is able to use that app and you have got suddenly logged out of Snapchat. So to do so, you need to open any browser on a mobile device. Just search for Snapchat server status or server down. You will see this website right here that says downdetector.in. So it detects for most of the social media websites if they are down or facing any issues or not. So as you can see right now, it is not facing any issue. User reports indicate no current problems at Snapchat. So it means the app is doing fine. It is only you who is facing this issue with Snapchat. Hopefully all my fixes that I have discussed before will help you fix the login issue with Snapchat. Do let me know in the comment section down below if this video was helpful for you or not, or if you are facing any other issue with Snapchat, you can tell me that in the comment section down below, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more informative and useful content. Thank you for watching.